Hi, this is Raksil, and in this video I will show you how to overclock your Redmi K20 Pro refresh rate or display. And this is latest Soviet Star kernel. There is some improvement, performance improvement, added Raksil support and other fixes and improvements under the hood. Okay. If you haven't already subscribed the channel, then please go ahead and prove that you are not a gay bot by subscribing the channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video in the future. Okay, now you are verified human, and let's go and overclock now. Okay, in DRM info we can see that right now my phone is 60 Hz. Supported refresh rate is 60. Now I will boot my phone into custom recovery. I hope you have custom recovery installed in your phone. Now first we will back up some partitions. We will back up these two partitions so that we can restore back to our stock kernel or to the normal refresh rate. Okay, we have successfully backed up the partitions. Now this is the kernel this is the latest Soviet Star kernel. Now we will press and hold and you can see the rename option. Clear this number and we will add 69 Hz. Okay, you can see that, right? Now we will swipe to confirm, and it's not installed yet. Now we will install. Select and now we will swipe to install. Now Soviet Star only supports for OSS ROM. Please don't install this kernel in your MIUI ROMs or MIUI vendor based ROMs. Now if we go to DRM info, we can see that it has been successfully overclocked. The current refresh rate is 69 Hz. Right? This is how you can overclock your Redmi K20 Pro. Now we will reboot into recovery again. Now we will overclock 72 Hz. Okay. Now we need to rename the file again to overclock to 72 Hz. We will cut the 69 and we will add 72. Okay, this way. It's clear, right? 72 Hz.zip. Now swipe to confirm the rename. Now go to files and then select the file. Swipe to flash. or install. Reboot system. Okay, we have successfully booted. Now it's little bit laggy since the phone is just booted, right? You know that, right? Let's go to DRM, and I can feel the smoothness as charm. And now in DRM you can see supported refresh rate is 72 Hz. Now this will help you to get more FPS in games, but in BGMI there is no 90 FPS right now, so you need to install Magic's module to enable 90 FPS in your game. Okay, now I am rebooting my phone. You don't have to do this. I will just restore back the old kernel or the stock refresh rate. Okay, I'm just showing how you can restore back. You don't have to do this. This is the backup we did just before we flash DTVO and boot. Now we will swipe to restore. Now this will restore back to your old kernel or your stock refresh rate, that is 60 Hz. Okay, we have successfully booted. Now why is so laggy? My phone is the fastest phone. Let's open. Okay, let's go to DRM info, and you can see it's 60 Hz. This is how you can restore back to your normal refresh rate or your stock kernel. Okay, right, and this is the end of this video, and thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoy watching the video and it helps you, and please support the channel by subscribing the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Peace out. Goodbye.